Welcome to Brighty Brain Arena, your arena of endless learning. How, dear learners, want to sound more like a native American speaker? Then this video is for you. Start using these 10 real phrases. Number 1. Hang on a second. It means wait for a short time.
Hang on a second, I'll call you back.
Number 2. That's lit. Means something is really cool or exciting.
That's lit.
Number 3. I'm down. It means I agree or I'm in.
Wanna go tonight?
Yeah, I'm down.
Number 4. My bad. It means it was my fault.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Number 5. You nailed it. It means you did it perfectly.
You nailed it.
Number 6. No biggie. It means it's not a big problem.
No biggie.
Number 7. Hit me up. It means contact me later.
If you are free, hit me up tomorrow.
Number 8. What's up? Use instead of how are you.
Hey, what's up?
Number 9. No worries. It means it's okay or don't worry about it.
No worries.
And number 10. You got it. It means sure or I'll do it.
You got it.
Use these 10 phrases in your everyday English and you'll sound more American in no time. Thank you.